Good evening, friends. This is a delayed trade review for 9th of November, and it is delayed for obvious reasons because of this Pfizer news. I just wanted some time to check out the reaction of on the markets. Now, many months ago, people asked me when would this rally top out. In my opinion, this is one of those significant turning points. See, the issue was medical, and the solution had to be medical. So, I wouldn't be surprised if we are extremely close to a turning point. Now, turning points need confirmation, and we'll have to wait for that confirmation. Now, let's look at what S&P 500 is doing right now. I had created this channel and repeatedly shown this to you. Today, we have closed above, or rather we are trading above this channel. So this sort of trend line that we had, that has been broken out on the upside. And today, it's a clean out of shorts. Like on the downside, there were days when there was a waterfall sort of decline. uh, Today in the US and tomorrow in global markets, all kinds of shorts would be covered. So my opinion would be that it's probably too late to go long tomorrow morning, although things like PVR and Indigo etc will do well, and some of the tech stocks will be a little soft, but overall I think we are possibly getting close to a top subject to confirmation. Now, what we did today was we were carrying 27,000 calls on the bank nifty. So the market opened, I think, 170 points higher, and that gave us a good exit. Then intraday, we first bought puts around these levels, 12,430, 435, because the expectation was that market could turn from here, and it did turn for a bit. Then around these levels, we bought 12,300 calls. So, given the extent of market move, today was a decent day. Now, what do you do tomorrow? See, first half, I would think the market will remain fairly cheerful. It is in the second half, we'll have to see whether the rally continues or not. Do not be in a hurry to go short. If I have to go short, I would go short if the morning lows are taken out. And I would do that through puts. And the reason is that you are sitting on such a large up move that when the turn happens, the turn will be sharp. But you cannot be too early on that. Okay. I don't think talking about individual stocks for the day is really worthwhile, because tomorrow everything will open so much higher that whatever levels are given right now will probably uh, will be far exceeded. So tomorrow itself you may get 28,500, 29,000. Those are the levels I mentioned on television today. And basically, I believe that tomorrow you should be looking for a turning point, and tomorrow will be a great place to exit your long positions. I would think that the financials still have much more catch up to do, and very soon we'll be above 30,000 levels. So tomorrow's day will belong to PVR, Indigo, all these sort of stocks, and the leisure and hospitality segment. So there you'll probably see 15 to 20% sort of moves. Overall, when you have a vertical rally, you get a vertical decline also. So we'll have to see when this momentum reverses. Even after the best of news, markets go through profit booking. Whether that profit booking happens tomorrow at 13,000, that we'll have to see. But I think the cocktail is perfect for this sort of an event to create a top. Now, while our expectation is a top is likely, but we have to trade market action. If declines are modest, and we've held on to all sorts of gaps till now. So if the declines are modest, you could have intraday buy opportunities as well. But the bigger call is that now we are in sell territory subject to confirmation. So I don't want to participate tomorrow on the long side. I just want to wait and see, what sort of view the larger players are taking. Today, it was very clear that once the Nifty started to come off from 12,440, the decline, as you can see here, was very, very mild. Okay. So if you were short here, you should have cut your short positions. Trading is about having a view, and if the market is not supportive, changing that view and getting on the right side. Okay. So that should be it for this review. I'm sorry for delaying it so much, but I think it was worth delaying because we had to see market reaction to the vaccine news. So tomorrow by afternoon, we'll have to see whether things start to change, and tomorrow the worst of the laggards will rally. So anything that did not rally till now, the hospitality leisure segment, that is going to rally. What will rally after that? See, there is a difference between predicting a top and having a sense that this may happen, subject to confirmation. So let's see if that is the case. The puts will be dirt cheap. So even if you buy puts tomorrow at any point, chances are that they will not lose a whole lot of money because they will anyway uh, be sold for a song tomorrow. And if you are right by any chance, you are going to make the money of your life. We remain in an overall strong bull market, but I would think we are getting to the end of this swing. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.